Okay, what's up, traders? What's up, tycoons? Coming at you guys with a viewer request update on Dent. Okay, ticker symbol DENT. I do these viewer requests every single week. So if you want to see your token, cryptocurrency in the next video, all you got to do is comment down below and I'll make a video on it as soon as I can. In today's video, we're going to go over how to spot trend continuation and trend reversals using these three levels, the fib retracement levels. There's three most important ones, and the major retracement levels are the 61.8, the 50%, and the 38.2. We're also going to take a look at the MACD and the RSI, the relative strength index, and how you can use these to spot potential entries and exits. So make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll jump straight into it. Okay, nothing moves in a straight line up or a straight line down. You get a move down, retracement, and continuation lower. Okay, now you can spot a reversal versus trend continuation, as this would be trend continuation. You can spot a reversal when you break through those retracement levels, right? And that's what we're looking for. That's what we actually just got here recently. Okay, but trend continuation is simply going to be coming down, retracing up to the 38.2, 50%, and 61.8, getting a rejection there, and then continuing lower as we've done in the past here, right? So we came down, we retraced up, and then continued heading lower, and then we retraced up to the 61.8, continue heading lower. And here recently, we broke through our three major retracement levels. So we have started a reversal. We're starting to make a high and a higher high on a smaller scale, okay? But we do need to get past this high and start making overall higher highs, right? If you look at it, we were been in a downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows. Okay, but we are starting the reversal process right now, but we really need to hold these three levels right here. These are going to be our retracement support levels, right? So we were in downtrends in all of these, and these were the major retracement resistance levels. Now we have some retracement support levels, right? So we came up, if we retrace to these three levels, that's a healthy pullback, and we could continue going up higher if we hold those support levels. But if we come down and we break these retracement levels, then we could spot a reversal heading back down to our previous price targets, right? Remember here, look, we made a high, then a higher high, and then a higher high up here. We got the reversal once we broke through these three retracement levels right here. Instead of, rejecting them and continuing heading lower, we were able to get a breakout. Now, the MACD is going to be very, very useful, especially when you combine it with your RSI. So we're going to go over a warning sign and something that you need to be aware of, really in all tokens, but in this one particular, so that way you can prevent yourself from a move to the downside. So if we zoom in here, right, we can see that we're making a high and a higher high. So clearly the token is in an uptrend and increasing in price. Right now, if you look at the relative strength index, again, measuring the relative strength of a token at its given price, we can see that at those points, we're starting to make a high and we're making lower highs. So we're losing relative strength as the token is increasing in price. That's a term known as bearish divergence. It's an indicator you may see some type of bearish activity. Now here we get a MACD sell signal, okay? A MACD sell signal or exit signal is going to be this blue line crossing below the orange line. So first we get the bearish divergence, then we get a MACD sell signal, all right? And you see we get a large pullback to the downside. If we zoom in to where we're at currently on the chart, these are our three major retracement levels. We see the MACD is possibly about to curl down below the orange line. That's why we have these question marks right here. What's it going to do next? Is it going to start curling back up, which is what we want to see and what we want to see if we want it to continue to go higher? But if it curls down below, that could be an exit signal and we could get another move to the downside as we saw in the past. If we also look at the relative strength index, we have bearish divergence forming there again, right? We have a high, we have a lower high. We just saw what happened when you have a bearish divergence and a MACD crossover to the downside. You usually get a sharp move to the downside afterwards. Okay. So, if we want things to continue to go higher, we need to break out of this bearish divergence trend line right here. And then we also want to see the MACD stay above the orange line and continue really just kind of trading a little bit higher, right? It can go sideways. That's fine. We don't really want to see it cross below. If we see that we keep rejecting this bearish divergence trend line and we get a MACD crossover to the downside, then most likely we're going to see some type of pullback at least to our 61.8% retracement level, which is going to be 0.000712. And if we break below that level, then remember, that's when we could be spotting a potential reversal to come back and test our previous lows, right? Over here, we had a reversal. We had our high connected down to our low. We retraced up, and then we broke through those retracement levels, and we started a reversal where we made high and higher highs, okay? So, that's what you need to be cautious of to the downside. Things do look good, right? We have been on a good run, and if we do get some type of a pullback, it would just be a healthy retracement. And if we break those healthy retracement levels, that's when we spot the reversal. Otherwise, we could continue heading up higher and continue the shorter term trend of an uptrend, right? So that's it for today's video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and don't forget, I do those viewer requests every week. So if you want to see your token, your cryptocurrency in the next video, all you got to do is comment down below. And if you made it this far, I really appreciate you, and I think you'll enjoy one of these next two videos as well. So make sure to click on one of those.